Hello, Richie here from EagleSix Airsoft. We're going to be testing this Tokumuri 417. This one has a DMR build, and we've got this upgrade kit to level 5 with a couple of extras. We've got the FPS cylinder, which is the full type, which we added to the build. We've got a solink 46k motor, which is obviously the top one that solink do at the V5. We've got the laylax trigger pin on the side. We have upgraded EagleSix M140. Obviously we've locked the gun to single shot. We've got the HOP kit from PSIONIC, the number 6 kit. We've got the laylax Prometheus barrel, the 407 kit. Barrel. We've got the FPS bushings, the 5.9mm ones. We've got the double torque gear set from Prometheus, so the hardened gears. We've got the FPS Spring guide, Jefftron MOSFET system for the like I say, increased trigger response from the MOSFET. Like I say, I've talked about the brushless motor. We've got the Prometheus Bar kit at the back to allow DEANs to fit, and we've got a 2600 battery installed. And I'm just going to do functionality testing on this to make sure that it's properly feeding and working on single shot. There we go, all functionally working, and all the way to the end of the mag, and everything's all good. So we hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.